Hello guys, we are back again with new video in which you will get to learn a lot. Today we will trade in US dollar versus Canadian dollar. Here you will be thoroughly explained the whole strategy. All my strategies are absolutely free on YouTube channel for which you do not pay any money. If you want more strategy, then you can check my channel playlist where you will get to learn a lot about Forex market. I have deposited $2,000 in this account, which we will try to grow like every time. I am increasing the lot size. What is the size of the account? I have already calculated this lot size. You can also do this. See you after taking all the trades. We have placed the trade loss is around $40 to $50. Here I am using proper risk management. Let me explain to you why I placed the buying trade. Market is going up fast. We have also taken trades in the same direction where the chances of profit are high. The previous trend of the market was downtrend, later gave a breakout with the big candle and changed the direction of the uptrend. If we see the 15 days highest price point of the market, so again and again taking resistance at the same place. Let me show you by drawing. For this we will take the rectangle and place it on the last highest point. Rectangle tool that move as far back as possible so that all points are covered. With this our analysis will also be correct and you will understand better. This is the basis of our analysis. We will do further analysis on this resistance area, and stop loss will also be analyzed by doing the same. The market has taken resistance here time and again. Went down with resistance at this place, from which we got the reversal point. At this place too, the reverse happened after taking resistance 3 times. Because earlier the market had taken resistance at this place. All these points are very important here. The market remained in consolidation for 2 to 3 days. And here the market gave a breakout and retested and went up. Market followed the proper price action here, from which we are getting to see higher high, higher low. The market remained in one place for a long time, and today we got to see a breakout. We also placed trades in the same direction. High percentage chance market will go up from here. If the market goes against us, then we will get to see the loss. So far the analysis is going in the right direction. Guys, anything can happen in the market, so keep your second plan ready as well, which increases your chances of making profit. If we look here, the market is in an uptrend where we can make a trend channel. We'll take trend line for this and put it on higher low. It is acting as trend line support. We'll put another trend line on higher high. It is acting like trend line resistance. The market is going as we analyzed. Hope the market will go up even further. I did this analysis 15-minute on time frame. You can do analysis on any time frame as you feel comfortable. Never be in a hurry to take a trade. If that opportunity is missed, then another pair will get a good opportunity. Let me put a stop loss now, by which you will also know where I will close my trade. Here my stop loss will be below the trend line and support resistance area at 56 pips. Always keep the stop loss away from trade so that fake candle can't close your trade. And my target point will be above 112 pips. You won't see the target point yet because the market has not gone up to that level for the last few weeks. Guys, the market is still where we took the trade. Right now we have got good opportunity. We will not let it go. Let's finish our work. Now the market work begins according to the analysis. Our entry has been placed at the right place, when the market was moving up with support for trend line and resistance support area. If we look at the history of the market, it has been in a very random trend where you will find uptrend as well as downtrend at same level, because the market would have been sideways on the 1-day time frame, due to which we have been seeing such patterns for a long time. Let's meet guys, after some time. Enjoy till then. Guys, our target has been hit. We also placed trades in the same direction in which the market was going, and finally our target was achieved. It took us more than 4 days to achieve this target, which is a long time. If you always follow your rules, then you will always be in profit. I am telling this from my experience of few years. We did trade place at this place where the market was going up with the support of the trend line. Then the market got sideways, due to which it took us so long to achieve the target. Where we built strong support resistance zone, the market went up in future by taking support again at the same place. This shows that our analysis was correct, which achieved this goal. market broke our trend line down, but there was resistance support area below, so the market didn't go to our stop loss. That's why the stop loss should always be kept away from the trend line and support resistance area, so that your trade is not closed with a fake breakout. We correct this trend line so that the trend channel looks perfect. The market has taken support twice on this trend line. Let's also correct this trend line so that we can get more opportunities in future. Or we can trade. We have to cover as many points as we get to cover. We'll draw another supply demand area here, for which the rectangle tool will be used. Here the market took resistance twice, now it is working as support. Looks like the market will go higher than this. We don't have to be greedy. Our target has been achieved. And now close all trades so that our rules don't break. My target point was at this point, which is 112 pips up. Let's close the trade now. Guys, our profit is $1,981 here. We have followed proper risk management. This is the result of our patience. We have got it from the market. See you after closing the trade.
A couple stacks, yo. Woo! Everybody wanna do the same thing, yup. That's why we ain't on the same page. Do my own thing, and I maintain. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going mainstream.
We had deposited $2,000 in the beginning, which got changed to $4,053, which is double of our account. If we see the return of the account, then it is 100%, which is a good thing in a trader's life. We did the analysis right, from which we made good profit. You can also take trade by doing such analysis. It is very simple, from which you can also make profit. All you need is some practice and patience. The market went from here to here, which is a big move. The market will go in an uptrend even further as the market has broken the double resistance and preparing to go up with support. Let's see how the market reacts. See you after some time.
A few inches later.
The market went as we predicted, where we had created resistance zone. The market took support on multiple times and went up. You all can also use this strategy. If you like the video, then like, share. Always keep learning, keep moving forward. Thanks for watching this video.
Like this.